Do you have tea?
I don't have tea. I like water. Just drink water because water is good for health.
I drink a lot of water.
Yeah, that's great. And also every day I also will drink lots of water, and it's good for skin.
Water helps your digestive system.
Digestive system. Right. Yes, it's good for health. Did you still remember last time the 5 love languages?
Physical touch,
One is physical touch.
buying gifts is another one.
Yeah, gifts.
And I think good comments, like saying good things.
Affirmation.
Affirmation. That's three, right? There's two more.
Yes, still two.
The other one was, I don't remember. I don't remember the other two.
Quality time. Many times how to say it? I like memory and I spend time with my friends. Always those beautiful memory will live in my heart. So that could be called a special time, special period, special moment. Because I think that always affect me. Let me cherish my friendship. Yes, so I think my love language is quality time.
Cherishing memories is more important for others. I think having good memories helps you cope with life.
Yes. Still, before a long time, I live alone. I did many things by myself, but every time when I thought my previous memory with my friends, we work together, we try our best to do some things. Every time when I remember that, it will encourage me to go forward to seek our dream.
Chase your dream.
What?
Chase.
Yes, chase. Yes, chase my dream.